Hey guys, welcome to the Rob Connection. Today we have a 2021 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life for this vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle. Engine's running. Alright, so let's go ahead and clear this message by pressing the back button, which is located right here on the left side of the steering wheel. Now, using the arrow keys, we're going to navigate all the way to the settings menu, which is kind of like a sprocket on the top. From there, we're going to navigate down to vehicle settings, and then if you press OK, nothing seems to happen. So you want to hold the OK button, this button right here. Just hold it down. You'll enter a new menu. Here you'll see scheduled maintenance. Go ahead and select that, and from there select yes, and now it's reset. Go ahead and press the back button to exit from this menu, and you can put it back to where you had it before, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.